Good afternoon. This is Karen Fitzpatrick Tully reporting for an exciting event today. Dan Cox running for governor and Gordana Schiffanelli is running for lieutenant governor, and we're having a rally with a fabulous lineup of speakers. We will be hearing Senator Douglas Mastriano, as well as Dr. Alan Keyes, ambassador, Liz Harrington, who is President Trump's spokesperson, Dr. Lehman Stillman, American Frontline Doctors, Lieutenant Shu Schuller, U.S. Marine Corps veteran, and Captain Seth Keshel, voter integrity advocate. Stay tuned to find the truth and the facts about this election. And who will your vote be for? Karen Fitzpatrick, Tully, reporting.